Hello again guys. So following on from my previous video, I wanted to do another quick one just addressing another issue that comes up quite regularly with the Suzuki VanVan, and that's owners having issues selecting neutral. Now obviously, if your gearbox is particularly worn and things like that, that can cause issues, but 9 times out of 10 the issue is actually caused by something completely different, and what that is people undoing the wrong plug to drain the oil. So in my last video I explained which of the two plugs under the engine is the oil drain plug and which one isn't. So now in this video I'm going to explain in a little bit more detail what that other plug is. So going back under the bike, as you can see we've got our two plugs. This one here, as we discussed in the previous video, is the oil drain plug, and behind it is behind this plate is the oil sump filter mesh, which you can take out and clean. So today we're talking about this one here. So this plug here is basically, there's a load of gubbins behind that which are to do with the neutral selection and the gearbox. There's a spring and a few other components, so if you take this off, all of that falls out. And basically what happens is mechanics or people who don't really know what they're doing take this out in order to drain the oil, which obviously is wrong, and then when they put this back together they tend to not put it back correctly, and if you, especially the spring, if you put that in the wrong way round, it causes the issue where it becomes nigh on impossible to select neutral. So if that has happened, if someone has put it in the wrong way, or if a mechanic has recently changed your oil and you're having problems selecting neutral, chances are this has been put together or back together wrong, so you're going to have to basically take it out, which will drain oil as well, and put it back in the right way round, and that will fix your problem. But obviously, ideally you want to avoid undoing that at all and just undo the correct one in the first place. But as I say, if you're having issues selecting neutral, it's more likely than not it's going to be that this wasn't put back together properly. So there you go guys. Again, it's a very, very short one, but hopefully you found that useful. Obviously, if you did find this video in any way useful, please do give it a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. Go check out my other videos, they're a lot more interesting. And for now, I'll catch you guys again soon.